Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing, and it's actually not a green light unboxing. It is from AVS Diecast though, Alex over at AVS Diecast. Check this out. Bearded Mug 10, use that code. You get 10% off your entire order. There's no minimum. His shipping charges are low and reasonable, and he's just a good guy, right? So Alex over there gave me this code. Let's pass it along. Let's see people use it. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. So there is going to be it's a new sheriff in town. No, there's a new product that Alex is going to be featuring, and it is Auto World. And Auto World just came out with a whole bunch of new castings for their deluxe line here. Their deluxe series is hobby exclusives. This is a 1979 Chevy Camaro Z28 in dark blue poly. It is dope. So the difference between the deluxe casting and the premium casting is that this one has a plastic chassis, and then the wheels are plastic. They're not rubber wheels there, but you get all the great details. I think there's a little mark on the bumper there, if you can kind of see that. We're gonna crack these open anyway. Great color in there. Painted wheels look nice. Little overspray on the silver. All right, what else we got? Good packing job here. A little individually taped. Oh, this is the one I was looking for. I ordered two, so we're gonna just put this one off to the side. It is the 1993 Ford Probe GT in performance white. It's got like a gray interior there, and this is nice. Probe GT. So it's the earlier Probe. It's got the license plate between the taillights. The later models had the license plate down low in the bumper. And the front bumper is going to be a little different as well. But yeah, Ford Probe. Good job, Auto World. Well done. New casting as well. Great details. Can't wait to crack that open. And then we got two more. What else we got? Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Another new casting here. It's going to be the 1991 Pontiac Firebird Formula in bright red. Front end is all jacked up there. Again, you can start to see all the wheels are the same, right? Whether they're painted or not. That's the deluxe series. So hopefully all these castings make their way into premium, get their own wheels. But this will be nice. This will be nice to pair up with the green light version, right? And then this is the later one, so the Formula gets that cool front bumper there. So pretty nice. Cool. And then lastly, the final new casting is the 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin. And just look at this fastback. The paint and the stripes. And you can see it kind of has a nice open air cabin there. No posts, no pillars, right? Marlin silver. I never caught a Marlin before, but I'd imagine if it was silver, it'd be this color, right? Cool. All right, so all new castings, all hobby exclusives for their, we're gonna put that right in front, for their, what are they called? Deluxe series. All right, so thanks for viewing. Again, check out Alex at AVS Diecast. He's AVS Diecast on Instagram and avsdiecast.com. If you utilize my code, I would appreciate it. He would appreciate it. And you save some money. All right, cheers.